Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa
I am Malakul Arif and my friend Mehreen Manzoor from grade 7. And we are the host of today's interview. We have with us Mr. Nasir Sir, Academic Director of Public Higher Secondary School, Vatar, born at Malabag, Srinagar. Mr. Nasir Sir attended his primary schooling at local school and secondary schooling at High School Hazratbal. Thereafter, he completed his higher education at Islamia College and in Kashmir University. Mr. Nasir Sir is lucky enough to serve in education department for more than 3 decades.
The goal of today's interview is to gain insights into a leadership style and the direction of school.
So, cutting it short, let's ask him straight away. Mr. Nasir Sir, how has been your school days? Do you turn nostalgic remembering your golden old days?
Yes, I do remember my school days. Those days were very wonderful and were solely concerned with the teaching learning process. Though we had not developed technology to the extent we are developing today, but our overall environment was very conducive for teaching learning, and there were not so much distractions as we find in current times. So that was very enjoyable, and we were more free than you because there were not constraints, restrictions. We would like to enjoy our teaching learning with very clean environment because transport was these electronic activities, these were not present in those times. And the teacher-student relation that was very strong. And there was not commercialization of education in those times. So what we got in school, and there was no need of private tuitions. The teachers were sincere, and the lifestyle was more eco-friendly and simple.
Sir, that was so wonderful journey.
Sir, what motivated you to work as academic director in our institution?
Actually, I have a passion to engage with teachers, students. Basically, it is the education which is responsible for the overall transformation of the society. As NEP document also says, the vision of the NEP document is that we have to transform our societies by making them knowledge-based societies where there is no superstitious things, rumors. So it is an education which humanizes our outlook, our behavior, our destiny. Because the nations which are progressing in education fields, they automatically take the leadership of the world and they lead other nations globally. So it is my passion to be engaged with the teaching learning process at all levels, whether it is at student level, teacher level, parent level, community level, at all levels, because the basic focus is the transformation.
Yes. Sir, how do you learn what we learn in our classes? How do you decide that?
Yeah, actually, teachers learn from the students' experiences. I have made it a part of my this return work I go usually to the classes. I see the students how they are responding to the lessons, what is their personal these experiences, how they are reacting to the outside world, how they are reacting to their lessons. So it becomes a great opportunity for us to learn from the students' experiences as well.
Yes, sir.
So, what's the most important thing you want students like us to learn?
The most important thing, basically, what NEP document says that we have to move towards a holistic development, teaching and learning, which should be integrated, inclusive. And you see, there are great strides in science technology all over the globe.
Yes.
And you have to develop yourself critically, creativity, collaborative approach, computational learning, so that you become the well-rounded personality, whereby you can face the 21st century skills, challenges, because never challenges are emerging day in and day out. So you have to prepare with all these 21st century skills, whether they are communication skills, social skills, media skills, and other forms of skills, so that you can spend your life so you can be successful in your
Absolutely.
business.
Sir, how do you help teachers to make their lessons, very funny and very interesting for us?
You see, yes, it is also written in NEP that teaching and learning should be enjoyment
Yes.
and